How to listen to Spotify offline, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to listen to Spotify offline. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Spotify on your mobile phone, or you can open it up on your laptop. If you have an account on Spotify, then you can listen to music online. There are thousands of different artists and music available on Spotify, and we can listen to them anytime we want. But we can listen to them when we have internet connection, when we are online. How to listen to songs when we are offline? You will actually have to download the songs, and you can download songs if you have Spotify Premium. In order to buy the Spotify Premium, you will click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Then you have to click on Premium, and you can see you can get a free trial of any of the premium plan. If you have any of the premium such as mini, premium individual, premium student, or premium duo or family, you can actually download the music and you will be able to listen to it offline. You can see you can download up to 30 or maybe unlimited with these plans on Spotify. So you have to buy a premium plan, then you can download the music really easily. When you're listening to any of the song, there is a download option available. Click on download and that song will be available offline. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.